Hey guys, what's going on? I'm back here with another rainbow video, and I'm here with my little cousin, Ryan. Ryan, say what's up.
What's up?
And yeah, so he's gonna be watching me play. Oh, I don't want to go shield. He's gonna be watching me play just a normal cash game. So yeah. Actually, no, I want to go LMG because Ryan is it the best, obviously. Sorry guys if it's hard to hear him, but yeah. Oh my God, Ryan.
Don't want to hear
Alright, so let's find where they are. Guys, let me know in the comments what games you guys want to see me play. I know that I say that in every video, but I just need to know. I really do. Sorry if it's a little laggy for you guys. I apologize. Okay, let's see here. Let's get it started. Okay, teammate got that before I did. Okay, let's fuse this. Guarantee this gets somebody. Okay, Thermite looks like he wants to go in. So let's do it. Alrighty, looks like we won that round pretty easily. Wouldn't you say, Ryan?
Yeah.
Okay, let's hop into the next one. I guess I'll go Jaeger. Go Jaeger. And guys, I'll probably be doing a Counter-Strike video, but yeah, that's in the future.
Okay, then at the end, you should tell them that I'm gonna have a YouTube channel.
Yeah. Actually, probably later today I'll do what did I just say? A Counter-Strike video. I'll do that probably after this one, like after I eat supper. But yeah. Okay. I usually don't reinforce, but I guess I am. For some reason. I don't know why I do. It's probably a good thing to do. Oh, guys, also, ranked gameplay coming soon. Yeah, ranked gameplay coming soon. Yada, 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 all that jazz. guess we can check cams. Looks like they got a shield up. Huh. Fuse going shield. And I'm just gonna wait here. I'll actually see since they have a fuse. Oh, okay, well, a down one. But Thatcher got me. So, yeah. Let's hope team can pull this off. Alright, we're gonna stop watching that guy. We'll go to castle. And we got a noob on our team, and he didn't know what to do, but I guess that happens. Definitely should have won that round. I probably shouldn't have died. I played it dumb. Shouldn't have. Alright, so they want to run fuse with shield. Ryan, what am I going to have to do? He said fuse with shield if you didn't hear him. But, yeah. Looks like I am at the top of our leaderboard with 3 kills. So, yeah. Let's get into this round, find where they are. Oh, guys, also, I will be doing Rocket League videos. So, yeah. Sorry, guys, if you can hear my dog. I'll close my window. My dog's a loudmouth. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, let's go. I got 2 kills with fuse. It's pretty good. I mean, better than what their fuse did, but yeah. Okay, my dog apparently just came inside and decided to go underneath my chair and make a bunch of noise, but whatever.
At least it's not the mastiff's going on.
Yeah, good point. Okay, let's hope we can win it right here. If not, oh well. Okay, I guarantee they're gonna run fuse, because I got them. I got 2 kills with fuse. Why wouldn't they go fuse? Right, Ryan? Guys, also my cousin is gonna be getting a YouTube channel here pretty soon. He's in the works. I'm gonna help him next time that I see him. But yeah, pretty much. Ooh, I just got some wicked lag. Okay, don't ask how I pulled that off, but I just ran from fuse. I don't know how. Okay, I should not shot that down, but it's whatever. My team should be able to pull this off. I mean, they're all lit, but except Velk. But yeah, let's hope and pray. Why would he do that? Why would you just stand there? I don't know, guys. He just acted like a noob, absolutely noob. But yeah, when is dinner gonna be done? 20 minutes? Alright. Alright. We got defense again for match point. But I'm gonna be running out of recording time. I only got 30 seconds left. Let's but yeah. So I'm gonna have to end it here. So guys, if you like the video, smash that like button. Subscribe. Comment down below what games you guys would like to see me. And yeah, I guess that's